In this video, we will explore top design styles for motion graphics user onboarding videos.
You to navigate your own mental health journey at your own pace. Getting started is easy. After a few short assessments, we'll provide you with tools and resources tailored to your individual needs. Now, it's time to set your goals, giving you the opportunity to identify behaviors.
Unparalleled transparency and traceability in every transaction, and increased agility to successfully harness new business opportunities. How? Universal Commerce introduces consistent methods of exchanging information so that each party has the same auditable view on costs and revenues. And
your domestic or international electronic payments with a click. Sync data and journal entries with your general ledger to avoid tedious extra accounting work. Bill.com eliminates the manual, time-consuming steps and secures your payments process, giving you time back in your day and peace of mind. Learn more at Bill.com today.
To make information more discoverable, or embedding real-time analytics for personalized insights. Atlas has all the tools you need to build data-driven user experiences in a single developer data platform. And when you need to go big, Atlas grows with you, with features like seamless and elastic scaling of compute and storage.
Data wherever it resides, whether that's on-premise, in the cloud, or both. You design once, deploy anywhere. Today, storing and processing data in the cloud provides a fast, efficient way to increase the scalability, availability, and reliability of your data, enabling you to take on pressing challenges.
From workforce through our industry-leading mobile platform. Our clients post anywhere from 1 to hundreds of available shifts at a time to our marketplace, specifying the experience and qualifications they need in a worker. Our unique talent pool of specialists view and claim the shifts they're qualified for and interested in. After their
software firewalls like VM Series virtual firewalls and CN Series container firewalls, cloud-delivered security services, virtual panorama management and log collection. So take advantage of the industry's most flexible firewalls by purchasing credits in bulk. To procure security, simply allocate credits for the capabilities you're
getting in the mix. In a perfect world, distinguishing good customers from fraudsters would be easy. But the dynamic nature of online fraud makes it extremely hard to identify legitimate transactions. And every mistake is costly. Approving fraud cuts into your bottom line, while declining honest customers leaves money on the table.
The smart algorithms in the portal turn the raw data into measurable performance indicators, KPIs, that matter to you the most. Sudden braking, idling, acceleration, speed violations, cruise control, coasting, driving times. While also
broadcasters then began looking for smarter ways to get the most out of their ad campaign and came up with a process consisting of creating different versions of the same national feed, replacing the national ad with a more relevant, targeted content, which better corresponds to the audience's taste, location, or gender. In other words,
after discharge, Harmony provides continual, up-to-date information on patients to ensure proper care is being received. This includes accurate reports on readmission risk factors such as medications, incidents, and pain scores. We understand the importance of data when evaluating where to send patients. Harmony gives you the ability
to over a procedure. But he can't test a disaster scenario without impacting all applications and users, including Meg. If the disaster occurs, the switchover requires several manual operations that may result in configuration errors. And Tom is really worried apps will...
Publishers wanting more, we can now use software to buy digital ads known as programmatic advertising to increase efficiency and reach qualified individuals at scale. Thanks to the inclusion of data into the process, advertisers can tailor ads to a user's preferences, delivering ads that are actually useful and desired by the consumer.
And reporting, and give you more visibility into your security posture. 1Password integrates directly with leading IDP, SIM, and MFA providers. It even integrates with CI/CD tools and IDEs to secure developer workflows. Connect to your identity provider.
You could try and set up agreements and technical integrations in every country, if you got a lot of time and money. Or you can make it simple. Telia Global IoT connectivity goes beyond roaming. It starts with an eSIM to embed in all of your products. Once tested, you can pause your
best minds in customer experience and service design, technology engineering, and behavioral change. Deloitte Cognitive Customer Experience, powered by Amazon Web Services, offers modern, flexible, cloud-based solutions that bring personalization and AI into every conversation, delivering end-to-end contact center transformation to put a smile back on it.
It's designed with your privacy in mind, and now it's even easier to make privacy choices that are best for you. As you use your assistant, it gets to know your preferences to be as helpful as possible, tailoring your experience based on what you choose to share. But there might be times you don't want the interactions from your assistant to be remembered or used to offer helpful suggestions.
Growing your online business. With the latest cloud technology built by Namecheap, you can add the features and resources you need as your website and business evolves. And if you get stuck with anything, the best support in the business is available 24/7. Our affordable and flexible pricing plans are designed.
Interactions with your business directly affects the profitability of your enterprise. Getting pairing right leads to a remarkable increase in performance. At Affinity, we've built a way to pair better. Our artificial intelligence platform identifies and predicts subtle and valuable patterns of human behavior.
Allow you to discover emerging issues and experience gaps before they escalate, empowering your teams to transform customers into advocates and detractors into promoters. Leah CX is the only customer experience management platform with proactive CX action campaigns. You can create
documentation and insights on how to optimize his setup, delivered right to his computer, phone, and tablet. But what happens when Bob is out of town for a meeting and there's a problem with the compressor? SmartLink has him covered. It will send Bob a message, a push notification, and an email.
Motivate and retain their best staff, and help them stay on the right side of the law in an increasingly complex compliance environment. That asset is customer conversations, an almost endless source of data and insight. But with increasing call volumes and ever-changing operational requirements, how can
hinder productivity due to their lack of flexibility. To help work get done, we created new forklift solutions combining our Panasonic Tuckbook tablets, industry-leading software, and professional mounting services designed to make operations smooth sailing and help workers meet shortened delivery times. Tuckbook tablets are...
Add Segment to your application, which starts collecting data. You can add Segment to your website, mobile apps and servers, or cloud app, like your email marketing tool, help desk, or payment system. When a customer interacts with one of your sources, Segment captures it and sends it to your destination. Destinations, which are tools for things like advertising.
Manage the more innovative, high-value work. Using our code refactoring platform, one of several powerful AI tools in our NCI-SHE framework, government agencies can continue to develop on their legacy code while AI continuously modernizes your changes.
We use an AI for vulnerable customers, and with 46% of adults in the UK currently meeting these criteria according to the Financial Conduct Authority, this is one area you cannot afford to ignore. So how can your organisation confidently identify vulnerable customers even when they don't disclose it? With NICE Enlighten AI for
With our digital logbook app, information, maintenance schedules, and actions can be easily and securely shared throughout the project at the touch of a button. With digital interfaces, you can monitor and remotely control equipment, and embedded IoT sensors measure a range of electrical signals and installation parameters.
The General Data Protection Regulation established a fundamental right to privacy for EU residents and has hurled the digital media and advertising industries into a tailspin. And Europe might just be the beginning. A similar initiative in California was recently passed that would give consumers the right to ask businesses what personal data they're collecting.
Fuels the three essential components for DeFi growth: access, liquidity, and choice. Today, getting assets into and out of the DeFi ecosystem is surprisingly difficult and expensive. Radix makes on and off ramping as simple and secure as possible. Using the Radix...
We start by utilizing machine learning and artificial intelligence, leveraging the power of big data to develop and share industry-leading insights. We're also developing an energy system digital twin,
This helps us to better predict power system behaviours and develop new markets to further drive the energy system.